Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Zelle with Chase app. First, you need to make sure that you have both applications on your phone. So here, as you can see, I have Chase Bank on my phone right here and the Zelle Bank app. Now, what you should do is simply open Chase Bank application on your phone. Then once you open it, it will show you here this page, which is the main page. You can simply click on Send Zelle right here from this button. Or if you cannot find this button, you can click on the Pay and Transfer option on the bottom right here. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will jump you directly to the Pay and Transfer page. And here, as you can see, we have an option in the top middle of the screen, Send Money with Zelle. Just tap on it. And once you tap on it, it will show you all the contacts that you have sent them money through Zelle or you have received money from them through Zelle. And you can also click on Scan Code to Pay with Zelle just right here. Then you should scan the code of the someone that you want to receive and you'll be able to send him money directly. And if you give access to your contacts like I did, then Chase will be able to cross-reference their phone number with the registered users on Zelle. If they are a registered user with Zelle, you are going to have this little purple Z icon beside their names. Then you can go ahead, tap on anyone that you want to send them money. Then it will jump you directly to this page. You should now enter the amount of money, the reason for sending this money. Let's say that you are sending the money for dinner or even for maintenance. And from this section, you can choose the account that you want to send money from. Down below, you have in this section, send on. You can schedule when to send this money, or you can simply choose today. And here you have the repeat button. When you click on the repeat button, it will show you here other options. And by this way, you can choose when to do this transaction repeatedly. You can do it every month, every 4 weeks, every week, every couple of days, etc. You can also click on send on and schedule exactly when do you want to send them in a repetitive way every month, for example. And after you finish, you can simply click on review and send. Then it will show you a page that will review all the data, including the amount of money, the account that you have sent money from, and the date of sending the money, etc. And after you finish reviewing this page, you can now click on send it now. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.